In short, cryptocurrency is a digital asset created on blockchain technology. Digital asset, you may say, but money in today's world has become digital, and you can indeed find less and less paper money. Nowadays, even the sellers on the street markets use bank terminals. The key words here would be bank, bank terminal, or ATM. After all, you can't disregard banking rules while transferring funds from one person to another. Having cash in your hands means you have withdrawn it somewhere, at an ATM for instance. Consider this. From the very beginning, the money is being printed following the direction of the national bank of your country. Well, there's too much control, don't you think? Now imagine that money can be transferred between each other without the participation of third parties. And this is exactly the issue that cryptocurrency solves. The funds can be transferred without third parties and without control. This can also be done anonymously. Verification, or in other words, confirmation of such transfers between different accounts is possible thanks to blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a digital register or database where transactions made in bitcoins or in any other cryptocurrency are registered publicly and are confirmed by all network participants. Therefore, since each transaction is registered publicly and everyone can see it, there is only one true version of these records. Why is this important? Because until now, all of the transactions, verifications, and other operations related to state monitoring could not be carried out without the control of special institutions such as banks, notaries, etc. Thus, thanks to blockchain technology, the need and control by these institutions simply disappears, because every transaction processed on the blockchain is visible to everyone. This gives the power back in the hands of the users. If this sounds interesting to you, subscribe to our channel and be sure to turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next video. This video is made with the assistance of cryptocurrency exchange platform Cryptex24. Cryptex24, round-the-clock simple and reliable control of your crypto assets. Enjoying this video? Vote Crypto Brewmaster for Witness to support our initiatives. You can find the link under this video. Thanks a lot!